Greetings and salutations YouTube, it's Hadrian here. Welcome to a new video. How's everyone doing today? Hope you guys are all doing fantastic. Today is going to be a haul video. So if you guys are interested in seeing the thrifting video for this particular haul, I'll have it linked right there and down below in the description box as well. And if you guys love thrifting, you love vlogs, you love haul videos, don't forget to subscribe, hit the little bell button for notifications. Don't forget to add me too on Instagram, itsHadrian, just like it's spelled here, and check out my shop at itsHadrian.com to see what I have for sale from my thrifting adventures. And if you guys are watching this in the month of June, I'm offering 10% off to all of my YouTube family. So if you guys would like to purchase anything from the shop, just DM me on Depop or comment on the item and I will lower the price for you. Just let me know that you saw this offer on YouTube and I will go ahead and lower that price. And also, you might see that I'm wearing a little something. Check it out. This is my new haul video ring. I don't know. I just felt like I wanted to wear it. It is so fancy. I just got it the other day while I was thrifting and it's so pretty. Like, I don't even care. It's so cool. It's like mystical, magical. I feel like a wizard. I feel like Harry Potter probably wouldn't wear this. Maybe Voldemort? No, not Voldemort. Maybe like Dumbledore. Maybe, what's his name? From The Hobbit. How can I not remember his name? All I can think of is Bilbo. Bilbo Baggins and Gandalf. Gandalf would totally wear this, right? It's so cool. Can you believe it? Anyway, you guys have to check out that video for when I found this because it is an amazing piece. I also found it with this this Tiffany's ring. I feel like the pink, like rings that I find only fit on my pinkies ever because my fingers are like fat little sausages. But I feel like this is like gonna be my thrifting ring. I should like wear this when I go thrifting, or should I wear? Imagine like should I wear this when I go thrifting? Like imagine like I'm just like, oh, let's like thrift and have this giant ring. How funny would that be? Anyway, so let's get into this haul. I got some really good stuff. The first thing I got is this is probably my favorite thing, and it's this Hogwarts Express Platform 9 3/4 sign. Now this, so cool, right? It was $5.99, as you can see it right there, and oh, my ring totally goes with Harry Potter. This is such a cool piece. Harry Potter is one of my favorite movies, favorite books, and Cade also is a huge Harry Potter fan, so I'm gonna let them, and Zach also really likes Harry Potter too, so, and Eliza's just like, he's a baby. But I'm gonna let the kids probably hang this up in their room and they're gonna love it. It's gonna be super exciting, and it already has my fingerprints all over it, so I'm gonna have to clean that up. Okay, so the next thing I have here, so pretty much everything else, I think all these other things I got are just like handbags, pretty much. So the first thing, I'll start from like the smallest item to the biggest item, I guess. So I have in this little bag, the first item I have here. Now this is a Love Cat wallet. I just was obsessed with this metallic sheen. The metallic sheen of this wallet is everything in life. It's so pretty. Okay, have you guys seen that Dior Ever bag in this silver? And if do you guys know who HRH Collection is on YouTube? She has that Dior bag and it's so beautiful in the silver, and this reminds me of it, and it's really pretty. So I was very excited about this wallet, and it's in pretty good condition. It was $5.99. The inside is just a regular smooth black leather, and the exterior is this really cool metallic. So pretty. I had to get it. Okay, up next, now this brand I'm like not like super familiar with. It's called Bimba y Lola. Lola? Special Print Edition Summer 2014. And I just thought these geometric prints were super cool. And I just got it. I really like this little racing dog. When I first saw this, I almost thought it was a long chop, and then I was like, wait a minute, that's not a horse, that's a dog. It's like one of those, is it a greyhound? I don't know my dog breeds. But I just thought the print was really cool. And I would love this as a pillow, as wall art. This is really cool. So I really like it. I love how like the ring is like reflecting. I'm like so weird, you guys. because I can't help it. I'm so sorry. But yeah, I just really like this pouch and got it. I don't know if it's I'm not even sure if it's leather. I think it might be like a coated canvas. But I can't really, actually let me coated canvas. Okay, sometimes like Saffiano things are a little tricky because, especially like this, I feel like they might have fused like the lining with the leather, so I can't tell if it's actual leather. I'm gonna have to like really look it up online because I really don't know. But it might be a coated canvas, which is still awesome, just like Louis Vuitton. Really nice, just really like that print. Okay. Oh, so next, okay, so I was literally walking out already, like walking out of the store, and I paid, and I was looking down at the case that was next to me where the register was, and I noticed this little guy sitting in there, and it's this really cute, small Kate Spade bag. It's so adorable. It was $19.99 in fabric, Kate Spade, New York. I love the interior. It has like pennies and band-aids, and this is like definitely more of like one of her, like, I want to say almost like vintage pieces, right? And it holds, I'm pretty sure it'll hold an iPhone Plus, but this is my iPhone, or my iPhone Plus, yeah, it will fit in here. But I mean an iPhone, yeah, iPhone X. My iPhone X fits in here. I'm pretty sure an iPhone Plus will fit in here too because it's as small as it is, it like the fabric is malleable and you can definitely fit your phone in there. And it surprisingly fits more than you think. So, like gold hardware, it has one interior card pocket. There's a couple little things like dirt marks on the exterior, but I think I can just clean them off with like a wipe. I don't think there's anything too crazy. And it has a nice crossbody strap. And yeah, really cute little bag. Great for Kate Spade. And rest in peace, Kate Spade. She was so inspirational and amazing, and now like every time I see a Kate Spade bag, I just like, my heart just like, it drops a little, but then it raises back up when I think of like all the beautiful things she was able to give us in this world. So Kate Spade. Okay, up next I have, now when I saw this bag I was like, at first I thought it was a vintage Marc Jacobs bag, but it's actually a fossil bag. So I really, really do love the double stitched like diamond quilting on there. It's really nice. And it's in a black, and then it has like it's like a brown stitching, and then brass hardware. It's so nice. The interior has a zipper pocket and then two open pockets. And then there's this front pocket right here. So it's just a great little shoulder bag. It's awesome. And the color is great. I just love like a contrast. I love it when Fossil does this with the contrasting stitching. I think that's really pretty. But I've never seen it in this style. I've only seen Marc Jacobs do this. So cool that I was able to find this. Really excited to have this. And also all these items are going to be up for sale in my Depop shop, itsHadrian.com. And for the month of June, like I said, everything's 10% off. Just message me. And if you're watching this before June 13, it's actually free shipping, which is amazing. That's like unprecedented for Depop to do that. So that's really cool of them. Up next is this vintage Dooney Bourke leather tote bag. It's so cool. I love the style of it. I think this bag looks so cool. And even though it's vintage, I feel like it's totally current. It's so cool. I love the stitching on the handles, and the interior is just the inside, like it's green suede, which is like the underside of the exterior leather, and I think that's just so cool. So cool. There's a little tag right there. It took me forever to find it before, but it's like right there. But it's such a cool piece. Now, I don't know if this was made in Italy, because I don't see any other markings on it. But usually when it doesn't have anything else, it's probably made in USA. So, because the made in Italy ones usually have like a little stamping on the inside somewhere. So, gorgeous bag though. Nice navy leather, and then the interior is green. And then this is like like the top part of the interior is like the navy leather, and then in the very bottom you see it's like green. Super cool. Okay, up next is this bag. Now this is not, it's not a Balenciaga, but it is a leather bag. And it's by a brand called Beso, which I guess that means Besos kisses, right? In Spanish. So yeah, really, really cute. It's in like a mint color. And it's really pretty. I think it's nice. I got it because it's a nice leather bag. And it does resemble a Balenciaga. And who doesn't like that like cool motorcycle style bag? It doesn't have the longer strap, but you can just attach any strap to it and then make it a crossbody or shoulder bag if you want. So, or you can just carry it like this, which I think is totally fine as well. Now, for the piece de resistance, this is the item that I was most excited to find. And it is this beautiful Tory Burch tote. It's in a black nylon fabric. And I don't know if this is leather, is it leather trim? Does it say? I honestly am not... Actually, I can probably check right here. Ah, it is leather. So it is Saffiano leather trim on the bag. So beautiful, beautiful. It's actually in really good condition. It's just like a little like dusty, little like it has a couple like dirt marks on the exterior, but that can be cleaned up super easily. The interior is in great condition as well. And it's just a great, light tote bag. All black, beautiful. And that pretty much rounds out today's video. Thank you guys so much again for hanging out with me today and checking out all these cool finds that I found at the Goodwill. If you guys have not yet been, this is actually the Goodwill that's attached to the Goodwill outlet in LA. And it is the flagship Goodwill outlet store for Southern California. So if you guys haven't visited, you guys have to go. Just type in Goodwill flagship store Southern California and it'll pop up. I believe it's on San Fernando Road. So whatever Goodwill that one is, that'll be the one. Such a great store. I totally recommend it. So check it out. Let me know if you guys have been there. Let me know if you guys love going to the Goodwill outlets, because the Goodwill outlet, I don't know if that video will go before or after this, but I found some really great stuff. I'll have it linked if it's up already. But thank you guys again so much for hanging out with me. Hope you guys had fun. If you guys did, please give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to say hi down below in the comments. Let me know if you guys have found anything really cool recently thrifting, because I love hearing about your finds as well. Don't forget to check out today's vlog. It goes up at 2 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, and a new thrifting video tomorrow, bright and early at 7 a.m. I love you guys so much. I'll see you guys later. Bye! Alright you guys, I was looking through these handbags and this is what I found. I found like one of these IKEA bags to carry everything in. This is a Fossil. It's so cute, $14.99. At first I thought it was like a Marc by Marc, because I remember when they did this collection in that kind of quilting. And then I found this leather was so nice. And this one is Dooney Bourke. I think this one might be made in